This is the fastest and easiest way to create convincing pyrography effects in Affinity. I'll be using Artifex Forge's Wildwood toolkit to add a wooden background and burnt wood effects. I'm adding the wooden background by selecting this vector rectangle and clicking an icon from the Styles panel. I'm adjusting the size and proportion of the wood texture using the Fill tool. Every included wood texture has been turned into a seamless repeat pattern, so they can be used to fill infinite size areas with no ugly edges or bad tiling. And now it's time to apply the burnt wood effect to the type. So I'm selecting the text, switching to the pyrography effects on the Styles panel, and hitting a Styles panel icon. To switch to another, simply hit another panel icon. The effects can be applied to both text and images. Keep watching as I'll show you how to apply the effect to an image later on. If I zoom in on the effect, you can see a very subtle roughened edge, and this is all part of the style. It's easy to swap in other wooden backgrounds by clicking on another style panel icon. But be sure to stick to light coloured woods so the pyrography effect really shows up. This is just a small selection of the wood textures that are included in the product download. If you want to make the wooden background more striking, add a gradient above it, set the blend mode to overlay, and adjust the transparency as required. And if you want to adjust the burnt effects, this can be done easily by hitting the effects icon on the layers panel, then clicking on the relevant effect and changing the settings. This is a great way to intensify the effects or vary them to work with different backgrounds. As I mentioned, the effects work just as well with images, including vector and bitmap shapes, path brush strokes, or a mixture of all three. I've made this design using path brushes from our fabulous florals and fine liner brush packs. Follow the links below to learn more. The strokes have been grouped, and I'm applying the style to the group by clicking an icon, like with the text. The design can be edited in all the normal ways even after the pyrography effect has been added. And there you have it, pyrography effects in seconds. Follow the link to get the pack now and start creating realistic pyrography designs in Affinity. It works with Affinity and Affinity Designer 2, including the iPad version. Be sure to follow our channel to get more Affinity tips, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. And be sure to watch the next video to learn how to create a design using the diverse wood textures from the same pack. Thanks for watching!